In general, for three conductors, we'll place them with a triangular concept at the corners of a triangle. At the corners of a triangle. But now, since it is a double line circuit, in this double line circuit, 6 conductors will be available. We know the 6 corners of that geometrical figure is called as a hexagon. With the 5 corners, we will call it as pentagon. Since there are 6 conductors in a double line circuit, I will be assuming that there is a location of all those. I am locating all those 6 conductors at the corners of an hexagon. So, this is our next concept for having the practice how to find out self GMDs and mutual GMDs. For this also, we will see self GMDs and mutual GMDs. But now here, I am slightly extending my explanation towards the real time. What is real time? Real time is always in all the cases may not be all those 6 conductors separated with equal distances. There may be some unequal distances also. Under unequal distances of separation, we should go for transposition of the conductors. What we discussed in the single line circuit. The same concept is applicable for here also, double line circuit. So right now in our discussion, I am showing you only, concentrating only on one phase, changing its position. Okay, total 3 positions are there. They are top position, middle position and bottom position. With reference to the diagram what I have shown you. Okay, in this diagram, phase A is at the top, phase B is at middle and phase C is at the bottom. With their defined distances D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8 and so on D9. Up to 9 possible distances we have identified here. With these 9 possible minimum distances, we should be in a position to calculate self GMD and mutual GMD. So once self and mutual GMDs are obtained with us, use this formula and get the value of the inductance for that phase. Okay. So let me identify what is the self GMD and mutual GMD. So for a clear understanding purpose, here I am showing you step by step with a single slide. Okay. So let me calculate for phase A, which is located at position 1. What is its self GMD? Yes, the self GMD overall value is self GMD of that phase A. I mean to say self GMD of phase A whenever it is in position 1 multiplied by the same self GMD of that phase A whenever it is located in position 2 multiplied by self GMD of the phase A located in position 3. 3 different positions are there, that is why I get 3 different self values. Product of all those 3 whole to the power 1 by 3 called as cube root. Okay. So what is our idea now? To get ds of this system, I should calculate ds1, ds2, ds3 separately. Now with position 1, I will call this as ds1 of phase A. So concentrate only phase A. Don't look after B and C's. That is why I have highlighted with this with the other color, yellow color. Don't bother about all these white color distances. Okay. Then what is the possible distance? The possible distances are between A1 and A2 the distances. The A1 and A2 distances are, as I told you, self D A1 A1, self of that second circuit D A2 A2. Okay. Self between circuit 1 and circuit 2 D A1 A2. Self from circuit 2 to circuit 1 D A2 A1. Total 4 values. So these are internal, its own, that is why it is R dash. And these are the distances which are available in the figure. From A1 to A2, what is the distance? We have denoted it as a D1 with a low color if you check it. Okay. So I will concentrate with this distance as a D1. A2 to A1, same distance, D1. Total R4 distances are R dash, D1, D1. Product of all those 4 whole to the power 1 by 4 is the DS1. Self GMD of phase A. Whenever that phase A is located in position 1, top position. Because we are going for the transposition, changing its position frequently. Next, ds2 should be calculated. What is ds2? ds2 is nothing but whenever that same phase conductor A on both the circuits, circuit 1 and circuit 2, changes its position from top to middle. That is called position 2. See here. For phase A, whenever it is located in position 2, I call this as ds2 for phase A. Then tell me what are the values of the distances. The values of the distances are A, that is A1, A1. Again, A2, A2. A1, A2. A2, A1. Verify it. Being thus as self, R dash, R dash. Now, these conductors, if you check it, they are changing its position in a cyclic fashion. Previously, this is A1, this is B1, and this is C1. Now it has changed one step down. So A1 fall into middle, B1 fall into, see here, this is the B1. B1 fall into bottom. The C1 has reached to top position. That was the cycle, changing its position. In the same manner there also. Okay. Then what is A1, A2 distance whenever it changes its position? Already we defined that distance as D6. That is why R dash, D6 and D6. 4 different values. Product of all those 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. Next, for whenever the same phase of the conductor is located, whenever the same phase of the conductor is located in position 3, phase A, position 3, this is position 3, and phase A, yellow color, if you check it, then the self GMD calculated, we call it as DS3, this is for phase A. Okay, then what is the self GMD? The self GMD is total 4 distances, A1, A1, A2, A2, from circuit 1 to circuit 2, from circuit 2 to circuit 1. Yes, these two are its own values called R dash, R dash. Here you have to identify what is the distance. The distance what we identified here is D9. Don't bother about this D6 and D1, that is completed. D1 is the distance whenever it is at position 1. D6 is the distance, self value, whenever it is conductors are located in position 2. Now right now we are discussing about position 3. D9. D9 is the value here. Altogether R dash, D9, R dash, D9, these are the distances whole to the power 1 by 4. So totally we have observed whenever the conductor A is occupying 3 different positions separately, and we have observed the self value DS1, DS2, DS3 with positions 1, 2, 3 respectively. Their values are DS1, yes, this is the value. Recalling that distance D1 is identified. Next case D6, next case D9. If you recollect, yes, this is the second figure, and from the third figure value this is. All these 3 values are there with each value with 4 terms whole to the power 1 by 4. Okay, all these 3 are multiplied. Yes, 1, 2, 3. All those 3 are multiplied. Okay, since 3 terms are there, whole to the power 1 by 3 gives me the total self GMD. Now go on simplifying this. R dash D1 whole square to the power 1 by 4 get cancelled for 2 times. Then I'll get square root terms. For further simplification, I'll get this self GMD for a hexagon case as R dash whole to the power 1 by 2 called as square root of R dash. Product of possible distances with position 1, position 2, position 3 as D1, D6, D9. Yes, D1, D6, D9 whole to the power 1 by 6. Right? This is the value of self GMD. You can verify it in a notebook. Right? So far we discussed the self GMD, DS. Again we have to go for mutual GMD. In transposition, considering the mutual GMDs, there won't be that much effect of the transposition conductors. Then directly we can check that mutual distances between any two different conductors. Right now here I am taking those two different conductors as A phase and B phase, not constrained to A or not constrained to B like self values. They are mutual values. Total 3 mutual values are, you can get it. What are they? They are D AB, D BC, D CA. These are the 3 minimum groups what we can find. Let me check for the first AB. Total 6 conductors. Among 6 conductors, we are concentrating only 2 conductors. What are they? AB phases of circuit 1 and AB phases of circuit 2. What is circuit 1 notation? A1, B1. What is circuit 2 notation of the same phases? A2, B2. Then what are the possible distances? The distances of this AB are A1, B1 of circuit 1. Let me go for circuit 2. Then I will call it as A2, B2. 2 independent completed. We will mix those two. On mixing up, from circuit 1 to circuit 2, mutual. Remember one thing, mutual means you should get different terms, different notations. Self means same letter you should get. A1, A1, A2, A2, A1, A2, same. A2, A1, those are selves. Mutual means 2 different values, 2 different alphabets you should get. What are they? A1 to B2. Next, from second circuit to first circuit, A to B1. This is about the 4 distances of mutually occurred between AB. Yes, let me see this. What is the distance between A1, B1? A1, B1 distance is D5. A2, B2 distance. A2, B2 distance is also D5 but not shown here because the same distance. Next, this is D5. A1, B2. This is A1 and this is B2. The distance between them is B2. Similarly, A to B2. Sorry, A to B1. That is again D5. Altogether 4 distances are there. What are they? D2, D5, D2, D5. Multiply all those whole to the power 1 by 4. Right? Next for, I'll check for BC conductors. BC group. Then what is BC group? The BC group is nothing but DBC. What we are going to get is DBC with 4 terms again. Circuit 1 separate, circuit 2 separate. Mix those two. What is circuit 1? D B1 C1, D B2 C2 for circuit 2. From 1 to 2. From 2 to 1. Minimum possibles. What are they now? Yes. If you check it. B1 C1. Yes, this is B1 C1 with yellow color separation remaining. But you can write this as D8. Okay. Next B2 C2. B2 C2 is also D8. So this is D8. Next B1 C2. This is B1 and this is C2. The distance between these two is D7. I'll write this as D7. The only thing what you have to do is identify the distances. It's a small geometry, right? Next, B2 C1. What is B2 C1? Yes, this is B2 and this is C1. Yes, this distance already we identified it as D7. So this is D7. Altogether 4 distances are there with us. What are they? D8, D8, D7, D7. Product of all those 4 you can observe here. D7, D8, D7, D8. 2 times D7s and 2 times D8s. The same thing I have written there. Whole to the power 1 by 4. Since 4 terms are there, whole to the power 1 by 4. Right? That is for B and C. The same logic applicable for C and A. Yes. C and A. What I will get is DCA with combinations. First circuit alone, second circuit alone, from 1 to 2, 2 to 1, identify the distances and get the product. C1 A1, this is C1 and this is A1 with red color. as D4. C2 A2. This is C2 and A2 from position 1 to 3. Yes, the same distance D4. Next, C1 A2. This is C1 and this is A2. The distance between these two, which is nothing but the corner distance. The corner distance you have identified it as D3. The same D3 you can write it here. C2 A1. Yes, this is A1 and this is C2. Corner distance D3 means 2 D4s and 2 D3s. You can observe here. D3 D4. D3 D4. 2 D3s and 2 D4s, total 4 terms, multiply them, 12 to the power 1 by 4. Like this we can get the geometric mean radius of 3-phase double line circuit. Multiplying all those 3 values A, B, B, C, C, A whole to the power 1 by 3 gives you the overall mutual distance. Let me show you that how to calculate overall mutual distance. The overall mutual distance here you can observe. The 3 you have found separately with 4 terms independently. Those 4 terms I am recalling them. This is the first 4 terms whole to the power 1 by 4 with D2, D5. And next BC combination with again 4 terms 7, 8. And next CA combination with 3 and 4. Multiply all these. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. All together you will get to 12 distances. Multiply all those 12, whole to the power 1 by 12, you can put it. As simple as that. In other words, we can tell, simplify here itself instead of keeping those 12 with a long line. You can simplify here. D2 square, D5 square. Square is cancelled for 1 by 4 2 times. Then you will get the square root of D2, D5. Square root of D7, D8. Square root of D3, D4. So that first term, second term, third term. Since 3 terms are there, multiply them, whole to the power 1 by 3. Right? So you simplify with this 1 by 2 taking to the power naturals, then you will get 1 by 6 with possible 6 distances as I told you. What are the possible 6 distances? D2, D3, D4, D5, D7, D8. Yes, the same. Like this you can find out the mutual GMD. Once mutual GMD and self GMDs are obtained, then you can calculate, you can estimate the overall inductance of a 3-phase double line circuit, which is important. What is its value? 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of dm by ds. So far we struggled to get the values of dm and ds. Simple geometric mathematics. Nothing more than that. You are not calculating integrations, you are not calculating calculus, differentiations, etc. etc. Simple mathematics. What are the spacings between the phases? Logically we are doing this. So altogether on simplifying, we will get the inductance value of the phase in transposition as 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of, this is dm and this is ds separately. Right? With this we completed the values of calculating the inductances. Let me have a summary. So what is the summary then? The summary is nothing but what to calculate. So far what we have done? So far what we have done is simplified with only 4 formulas from first class to today's class. Only 4 formulas. I will call that as a inductance summary. I will call that as a inductance summary. Inductance summary. Okay. Then what is inductance summary? For single phase circuit, the inductance is L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of d by r dash Henry per meter. And next 3-phase circuit, unsymmetrically spaced with the transposition The formula is L per phase is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of D equivalent by R dash, where D equivalent is cube root of product of the possible distances DAB, DBC, DCA, and R dash is 0.7788 into R. And the same three phase with symmetrically spaced. Since it is symmetrically spaced, no one required, it doesn't require transposition. Then the inductance per phase is 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of D by R dash. This is also Henry per meter. Up to here single line circuits are completed. The next double line circuit. In a double line circuit we calculated the inductance per phase in a general notation 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of dm by ds Henry per meter. What is dm and ds then? The dm and ds is dm value I am writing here. Dm value is equal to cube root of DAB, DBC, DCA, and ds value cube root of DSA, DSB, DSC. Right? Then what are the values of this? What are the values of that? DSA, DSB, DSC. Yes, they are self values. A dash, A dash, D, A dash, A, 12 to the power 1 by 4. DSB, I told you, same letter should get for self values. The same letters are, it belongs only with A or A dash. Now here it belongs only with B or B dash. Then what we get is BB, B dash, B dash, B dash, B dash B, 12 to the power 1 by 4. DSC, DCC, DC dash C dash, D C C dash, D C dash C, 12 to the power 1 by 4. With all these three, you will get ds overall, which is equal to cube root of DSA, DSB, DSC. This is the summary. And next, the mutual summary. What is mutual summary? The mutual summary is, we concentrate on dm, which is equal to cube root of DAB, DBC, DCA. This is for a double line circuit. What I am writing is for a double line circuit in the summary. Okay. Then how to write these expansions? As simple as that. Now I will get two different letter combinations. What are they? AB of circuit 1, A dash B dash of circuit 2, from circuit 1 to 2, AB dash from circuit 2 to 1, A dash B, 12 to the power 1 by 4. DBC, DBC, B dash C dash, BC dash, B dash C, 12 to the power 1 by 4. Last combination CA, CA, C dash A dash, C A dash, C dash A, 12 to the power 1 by 4. How many terms you are getting? Those many, 1 by 4, 1 by that many terms. Okay. With all these three, you can calculate this dm. Finally, for a double line circuit also, we will calculate its inductance value 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln of dm by ds, whose unit is Henry per meter. So time being, all of you remember a very last important point. All calculations what we have done is only for 1 meter length. If the transmission line is erected for 10 kilometers line, whatever the value obtained from this formula, you should multiply it with the 10k, that is 10,000. Then you will get the overall inductance of that entire transmission line. It's a generalized formula given only for 1 meter length. Later, if you want to go for the length of the transmission line, you should multiply that answer with those many meters. Then you will get the overall inductance of that either single phase line or 3 phase single line circuit or 3 phase double line circuit. Okay. In the next class, we will continue with the bundled conductors. Thank you.